Voyager Jenny Hitch Torsion-FLEX system is what happens when serious engineering meets serious adventure requirement. The Torsion-FLEX technology isn't just marketing speak, it's a fundamental reimagining of how hitch-mounted equipment should respond to real-world stresses. The dynamic load management system absorbs impacts and vibrations that would destroy conventional mounting systems, while maintaining the rigid connection needed for safe towing and cargo operations. The result is equipment that performs flawlessly whether you're cruising smooth highways or conquering challenging off-road terrain. What sets the Voyager system apart is its understanding that adventure equipment needs to be bulletproof, reliable, while remaining user-friendly, enough for regular use. The quick connect mechanisms are intuitive and secure, with visual and tactile confirmation that everything is properly engaged. The materials and manufacturing quality are absolutely top tier, with corrosion resistance and durability that will keep this system performing decades from now. The modular design philosophy means you can configure it for specific adventures while maintaining the flexibility to adapt as your needs evolve. This isn't just equipment, it's a platform for possibilities. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Nissan just threw the rulebook out the window with their driverless towing system. We're talking about a technological marvel that makes your regular tow bar setup look like horse and buggy equipment. This beast comes equipped with an array of cameras and laser scanners that detect lane markings, curbs, and potential obstacles or hazards around the vehicle, calculating its own location by cross-referencing this information with map data. The precision is absolutely mind-blowing. We're watching the future of industrial towing unfold right before our eyes. Now, I've been around enough towing systems to know when something's genuinely revolutionary versus just marketing hype, and this Nissan system is the real deal. The autonomous navigation capabilities mean you can hook up trailers, move equipment, and handle logistics without putting a single driver at risk. The safety implications alone are staggering. No more jackknifing incidents, no more blind spot accidents, and no more human error in tight industrial spaces. This isn't just about convenience, it's about fundamentally changing how we think about material handling and logistics operations. The Oris E3 isn't just another retractable tow bar, it's engineering poetry in motion. This innovative and robust technology has D values of up to 12.6 kilonewton and can tow loads of up to 2,400 kilogram, completely covering the lower and medium load ranges with less weight and more compact installation dimension. When you press that button and watch this thing smoothly deploy from completely hidden to ready for action, it's like watching a Swiss watch mechanism scaled up for serious hauling duty. The all-electric operation is whisper quiet, and the precision of the deployment mechanism is absolutely flawless. What really sets the E3 apart is how Oris managed to pack professional-grade towing capacity into such a compact, elegant package. We're not talking about some flimsy aftermarket add-on here. This thing is engineered to OEM standards and built to handle whatever you can legally throw at it. The integration with modern vehicle electronics is seamless, and the fact that it completely disappears when not in use means you're not compromising your vehicle's aesthetics or aerodynamics. It's the kind of tow bar that makes you wonder why anyone would settle for anything less sophisticated. The Magma RV crossover series is what happens when someone finally asks, why can't RV accessories be as tough and versatile as the adventures we take them on? This isn't your grandfather's camping equipment. We're looking at a complete ecosystem of tow bar mounted solutions that transform your vehicle into a base camp command center. The modular design philosophy means you can configure this system for everything from weekend glamping to serious off-grid expeditions, and every component is built to withstand the kind of punishment that would leave lesser equipment in pieces. What really gets me excited about the Magma system is the attention to real-world usability. These aren't products designed by committee in some sterile conference room. You can tell this gear was developed by people who actually get their hands dirty in the wilderness. The quick connect mechanisms are intuitive even with gloves on, the weight distribution is perfectly balanced for different vehicle types, and the durability testing standards are absolutely brutal. When you're miles from civilization and your equipment needs to perform flawlessly, this is the kind of gear that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them by a country mile. The Pakmule MotoMule just redefined what's possible in motorcycle transportation, and frankly, it's about time someone did. This isn't just another bike rack, it's a precision-engineered platform that treats your motorcycle like the valuable machine it is. The loading and securing mechanism is so well thought out that you can single-handedly load everything from a lightweight dirt bike to a touring motorcycle without breaking a sweat or scratching a single piece of chrome. The engineering here is absolutely top shelf, with every stress point calculated and every potential failure mode eliminated. The genius of the MotoMule lies in its understanding of what motorcycle owners actually need. We've all been there, trying to wrestle a bike onto some flimsy carrier that feels like it was designed by someone who's never touched a motorcycle. This system changes all that with its low loading angle, integrated tie-down points, and rock-solid stability that makes highway speeds feel completely natural. The build quality is so robust that you know this thing will still be hauling bikes perfectly when your current truck needs replacement. It's the kind of equipment that pays for itself in peace of mind alone. Buffalo carts just electrified the utility cart game in a way that makes everything else look primitive. These aren't your typical manual push carts. We're talking about electric-powered workhorses that can haul serious loads while maintaining the maneuverability that makes them indispensable for tight spaces and challenging terrain. The electric assist system is perfectly calibrated, providing just enough power to make heavy loads feel effortless without sacrificing the precise control you need for delicate operations. The real brilliance of the Buffalo cart system becomes apparent when you see it in action. The variable speed control lets you match the pace perfectly to the task at hand, whether you're carefully maneuvering expensive equipment through narrow spaces or powering through rough terrain with a full load. The battery technology is commercial-grade reliable, and the charging system is designed for continuous operation environments. This is the kind of innovation that doesn't just improve efficiency, it fundamentally changes how work gets done by eliminating the physical strain and safety risks that come with manual material handling. The Hitchboom transforms your vehicle's towing capacity into an instant sound system command center, and the execution is absolutely brilliant. This isn't some cheap amplified speaker slapped onto a hitch mount. We're dealing with serious audio engineering that delivers concert-quality sound while maintaining the ruggedness needed for outdoor adventures. The mounting system is rock-solid stable, eliminating the vibrations and resonance issues that plague lesser systems, while the weatherproofing is so thorough that you could drive through a hurricane without missing a beat. What makes the Hitchboom truly exceptional is how it solves problems you didn't even know you had. The positioning puts the sound source at the perfect height and angle for outdoor gatherings, creating an immersive audio experience that doesn't assault your ears or disturb the neighbors. The wireless connectivity is flawless, with range and stability that works reliably even in challenging RF environments. The power management system is intelligent enough to protect your vehicle's electrical system while delivering the clean, distortion-free power needed for serious sound reproduction. This is what happens when audio professionals design equipment for the real world. The TowBox Alpha represents a quantum leap in cargo management, delivering the kind of storage capacity and accessibility that makes traditional roof boxes look like ancient history. This isn't just about adding space, it's about adding smart, secure, weatherproof space that's actually usable in real-world conditions. The dual-side opening system is pure genius, allowing full access to your gear without requiring Olympic-level gymnastics or the ability to lift heavy items over your head. The internal organization system is so well designed that finding specific items in a fully loaded box is actually easier than digging through your garage at home. The engineering sophistication of the Alpha becomes apparent the moment you start using it. The mounting system distributes loads perfectly across your vehicle's towing points, eliminating the stress concentrations that can cause problems with inferior designs. The security system isn't just about locks, it's about making the entire box virtually impossible to compromise without specialized tools and considerable time. The aerodynamics have been carefully optimized to minimize drag while maximizing internal volume, and the materials are selected for longevity under the harshest conditions. This is storage equipment that treats your gear with the respect it deserves. The Thule Backspace XT proves that Swedish engineering excellence isn't limited to automobiles. This cargo carrier sets new standards for what tow-bar-mounted equipment can achieve. The deployment mechanism is so smooth and precise that it feels more like operating high-end furniture than utility equipment. The tilting access feature is absolutely brilliant, providing full rear access to your vehicle without requiring you to completely unload the carrier. The build quality is unmistakably Thule. Every component feels like it was machined to aerospace tolerances and assembled by craftspeople who take genuine pride in their work. The genius of the Backspace XT lies in its understanding that cargo carriers need to be as intelligent as they are strong. The integrated lighting system ensures perfect visibility in all conditions, while the security features provide genuine peace of mind without compromising accessibility. The aerodynamic design minimizes drag and wind noise, making long highway runs remarkably pleasant. The loading and unloading process is so well engineered that it actually becomes enjoyable rather than a chore. This is what happens when a company refuses to compromise on quality and focuses relentlessly on user experience. The Iron Baltic timber trailer IB1200 represents the absolute pinnacle of specialized hauling equipment engineered specifically for the unique demands of timber transportation. This isn't just a heavy-duty trailer, it's a precision tool designed by people who understand that moving logs and lumber requires equipment that can handle massive loads while providing the flexibility needed for different timber types and loading conditions. The construction is absolutely bulletproof, with materials and fabrication techniques that could probably survive a direct meteor impact while still tracking straight and true. What makes the IB1200 truly exceptional is its understanding that timber hauling is about more than just capacity. It's about versatility, safety, and long-term reliability under brutal working conditions. The loading system accommodates everything from small specialty cuts to massive structural timbers, with securing mechanisms that provide rock-solid stability regardless of load configuration. The suspension system is tuned specifically for heavy, shifting loads, maintaining control and ride quality that keeps both cargo and equipment safe. The attention to detail in wear points and maintenance access shows that this trailer was designed by people who understand the economics of commercial operation. The Yakima BackSwing hitch adapter is the kind of brilliantly simple solution that makes you wonder why nobody thought of it before. This ingenious system transforms any standard hitch-mounted accessory into a swing-away unit that provides full access to your vehicle's rear without requiring complete removal of your equipment. The pivot mechanism is buttery smooth and incredibly robust, handling everything from bike racks to cargo boxes with equal ease. The engineering is unmistakably Yakima. Precision machined components assembled with the kind of attention to detail that ensures decades of trouble-free operation. The genius of the backswing system lies in its universal compatibility and foolproof operation. The installation process is straightforward enough that anyone can handle it, while the daily operation is so intuitive that it becomes second nature within days. These security features ensure that your equipment stays exactly where you put it, whether it's in the deployed position for access or locked in the travel position for highway use. The build quality reflects Yakima's reputation for expedition-grade equipment. This is gear that will perform flawlessly, whether you're exploring remote wilderness areas or simply dealing with urban parking challenges. It's the kind of innovation that immediately becomes indispensable once you experience its convenience. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more innovative gear reviews. Don't miss our game-changing camping equipment video. Until next time, keep innovating.